Keep ready for the biggest bargains of the year. Cyber Monday Deals 2024 is here, and we've got the best 28 deals lined up just for you. Gotrax 26-inch electric bike was $650, now $520 on Amazon. Save $130 on the Gotrax 26-inch electric bike. It features a 350-watt motor, 36-volt 7.5 amp-hour removable battery, 26-inch air-filled tires, front suspension, Shimano 7-speed gears, dual disc brakes, LED headlight, and a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour with a range of up to 26 miles. For more information on this product or any of the other products in this video, check out the links in the description box down below. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer was $479, now $279 on Amazon. Save up to $200 on the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer. It offers a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume, 600 millimeter per second maximum speed, auto leveling, quick release nozzles, a flexible PEI coated build plate, and supports materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber composites. MSI 27-inch gaming monitor was $270, now $250 on Amazon. The MSI G272 QPF is a 27-inch gaming monitor featuring a WQHD resolution, 170 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond GTG response time, rapid IPS panel, and adaptive sync technology, delivering smooth and responsive gameplay with vibrant visuals. Breville Centrifugal Juicer was $300 now, $225 on Amazon. The Breville Juice Fountain Plus features an 850-watt motor with dual speeds, a 3-inch wide feed chute for whole fruits, a stainless steel cutting disc, and a 1.1 quart juice jug with froth separator. NordicTrack T Series was $599, now $479 on Amazon. The NordicTrack T Series treadmills feature a 10-inch HD touchscreen, 10% incline capability, speeds up to 10 mph, Flex Select cushioning, and a space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist for convenient folding and storage. They also include a 30-day iFit membership for interactive training. Fifth Wheel V30 Pro electric scooter was $350 now, $280 on Amazon. The Fifth Wheel 30 Pro electric scooter features a 350-watt motor, 270 watt-hour battery, 10-inch solid tires, rear shock absorption, turn signals, dual braking system, cruise control, and a foldable design, offering up to 19.9 miles range and 18 miles per hour top speed. DEWALT 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver was $239, now $129 on Amazon. The DEWALT 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit includes a half-inch drill driver with a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out and a quarter-inch impact driver providing 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, both featuring compact designs for tight spaces. ENOMIR smartwatch was $80 now $44 on Amazon. The ENOMIR smartwatch features a 1.8-inch full-touch HD screen, Bluetooth calling, Alexa integration, 24-hour health monitoring, 100 sports modes, 5 ATM water resistance, and compatibility with iOS and Android devices. Apple AirPods Pro 2 was $249, now $154 on Amazon. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 feature the H2 chip for enhanced audio quality, improved active noise cancellation, adaptive transparency, personalized spatial audio, touch controls for volume adjustment, up to 6 hours of listening time, and a MagSafe charging case with a built-in speaker and lanyard loop. Apple MagSafe charger was $39 now, $30 on Amazon. The Apple MagSafe charger offers up to 15-watt wireless charging for iPhone 12 and later models, ensuring precise alignment with built-in magnets. It's also compatible with Qi-enabled devices, including iPhone 8 and newer, as well as AirPods with wireless charging cases. NFL Dallas Cowboys Keychain Apple AIR tag was $19 now, $17 on Amazon. The NFL Dallas Cowboys Keychain Apple. AirTag holder is an officially licensed accessory designed to securely house your Apple AirTag. It features the Dallas Cowboys logo, allowing fans to showcase team pride while keeping track of personal items. Samsung Galaxy Watch 644mm was $323 now $160 on Amazon. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 features a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display, Exynos W930 processor, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, and a 425 mAh battery. It offers health monitoring, fitness tracking, sleep analysis, and runs on Wear OS 4 with One UI Watch 5. KOORUI 34-inch ultra-wide curved was $499 now $243 on Amazon. The KOORUI 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor features a 3440 by 1440 WQHD resolution, 165 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRT response time, 1000 R curvature, 90% DCI-IP 3-color gamut, display HDR 400, and adaptive sync technology, delivering an immersive and smooth visual experience. DEWALT 20-volt Max XR screw gun was $249, now $170 on Amazon. The DEWALT 20-volt Max XR screw gun features a brushless motor delivering up to 4,400 RPM, a secure nose cone for consistent screw depth, compatibility with the DCF 6201 collated magazine attachment, and an LED light for enhanced visibility in dark work areas. Apple iPad 10th generation was $349, now $259 on Amazon. The Apple iPad 10th generation features a 10.9-inch liquid retina display, a 14 bionic chip, 12 megapixel front and rear cameras, USB-C connectivity, and compatibility with the first generation Apple Pencil. It offers up to 10 hours of battery life and supports Wi-Fi 6 and optional 5G connectivity. ALORAIR LGR commercial dehumidifier was $799, now $631 on Amazon. The ALORAIR LGR commercial dehumidifier features a 180 ppd capacity at saturation, built-in condensate pump, smart Wi-Fi control via the ALORAIR Dry Easy app, automatic humidistat, and a durable rotomolded housing suitable for spaces up to 2,300 square feet. MSI Katana, a 15AI 15.6-inch gaming laptop, was $1,700, now $1,300 on Amazon. The MSI Katana, a 15AI 15.6-inch gaming laptop, features an AMD Ryzen 989 E45HS processor with integrated NPU for AI tasks, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, 140 Hz IPS display, DDR5 RAM, PCIe Gen 4 SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, and MSI AI engine for enhanced gaming performance. Breville, the Temp Select Kettle. You can have it now with only $100 on Amazon. The Breville Temp Select Kettle features 5 temperature settings for optimal brewing, a 1.7-liter capacity, 3 kilowatt rapid boil, 360-degree base, rear water window, removable lime scale filter, and a brushed stainless steel finish. Fitbit Charge 6 fitness tracker was $160 now, $100 on Amazon. The Fitbit Charge 6 fitness tracker features a 1.04-inch AMOLED display, built-in GPS, 40 exercise modes, heart rate monitoring, ECG and EDA sensors, Google Maps and wallet integration, Bluetooth connectivity with gym equipment, and up to 7 days of battery life. Razer Blade 16, 2024. Gaming laptop was $3,600. Now $3,000 on Amazon. Save up to $600 on the Razer Blade 16, 2024. Gaming laptop, it features a 16-inch OLED display with a 240 Hz refresh rate, Intel Core, a 9-14900HX processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 2 TB SSD, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. It offers a sleek aluminum chassis and advanced cooling for optimal performance. LG Ultrawide QHD 34-inch computer monitor was $400, now $280 on Amazon. The LG Ultrawide QHD 34-inch computer monitor features a 3440 by 1440 resolution, 21:9 aspect ratio, IPS panel with 99% sRGB coverage, HDR10 support, USB Type-C connectivity, and a height-adjustable stand, offering expansive and vibrant visuals for enhanced productivity. DeerRun Walking Pad Treadmill. Under desk was $175, now $140 on Amazon. The DeerRun Walking Pad. Treadmill under desk features a 2.5 horsepower motor, speeds up to 3.8 miles per hour, a 43.5-inch by 16-inch running belt, remote control operation, and a compact foldable design for easy storage, supporting users up to 265 pounds. Sapphire AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT gaming graphics card was $520, now $470 on Amazon. The Sapphire AMD Radeon RX 780 XT gaming graphics card features 16 gigabytes GDDR6 memory, a 256-bit memory bus, and a boost clock up to 2,565 megahertz. It supports advanced ray tracing, AI accelerators, and AV1 encoding, delivering high-performance gaming and streaming experiences. YOGES charging dock was $70, now $48 on Amazon. The YOGES charging dock for Meta Quest 3 and Quest 3S features rapid charging, fully charging the headset in 2 to 3 hours, and controllers in about 3 hours. It includes 2 rechargeable controller batteries, supports various battery straps, and offers intelligent LED indicators for charging status. The sleek design ensures organized storage of your VR accessories. Nugget Ice Maker countertop was $179, now $140 on Amazon. The Nugget Ice Maker countertop produces up to 44 pounds of chewable nugget ice daily, with the first batch ready in 10 minutes. It features a self-cleaning function, a 3-pound ice storage capacity, and a compact design suitable for home or office use. The machine operates quietly and includes an automatic recycling system for melted ice. Levoit Air Purifier was $100, now $79 on Amazon. The Levoit Air Purifier features a 3-stage filtration system, including a true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. It offers a CADR of 141 CFM, suitable for rooms up to 219 square feet, and operates quietly at 24 decibels in sleep mode. The purifier includes a timer, filter replacement indicator, and a sleek design that fits seamlessly into various home decors. It's ozone-free, ensuring safe operation for all users. HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop was $239, now $195 on Amazon. The HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop features a 14-inch HD BrightView display, Intel Celeron N4000 processor, 4 GB DDR4 RAM, 64 GB eMMC storage, Intel UHD Graphics 600 and Windows 10, Home and S mode. It includes Realtek 802.11bg, NAAC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, dual speakers, and a 3-cell 41 watt-hour Radeon battery. The laptop is lightweight, weighing approximately 1.44 kilograms, and offers a compact design suitable for everyday tasks. iRobot Roomba VacRobot Vacuum was $250, now $149 on Amazon. The iRobot Roomba, a 7+ robot vacuum, features a 3-stage cleaning system with 10 times powerlifting suction, smart mapping for personalized cleaning, automatic dirt disposal with the clean base, and compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It's designed to handle pet hair and various floor types efficiently. So, which of these deals do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Until next time.